Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to add an SKU to your Shopify product listings, a crucial step for managing your inventory efficiently. First, log in to your Shopify admin panel. On the left-hand menu, click Products. This will take you to a list of all your products. Use the search bar if you have a long inventory to quickly find the product you want to add an SKU to. Click on the product to open its details page. If your product has multiple versions, like colors or sizes, look for the Variants section. Click Add Variant if needed. Then make sure to tick the box that says this variant has a SKU or barcode. Next, enter the SKU you want for this product variant. This can be a combination of letters and numbers that helps you identify the product easily in your inventory system. Double-check for accuracy to avoid confusion later. Finally, click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. You've successfully added an SKU to your Shopify product. SKUs may seem small, but they're essential for keeping your store organized and efficient as your business grows. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Shopify tips.